slips, I can shoot a movie. I think I need directors. Drake got a beam with a light, it look like project. Pint a walk in a 2-liter, it tastes like medicine.
Hit a white bitch, didn't know her name, she look like a Jessica. I'm a glass sipper, I need red, I don't want no yellow. Bought my bitch a pair of glass slippers, call her Cinderella. Told my fiend he gotta buy a sample, I don't give out tests. Beat him in his head with the gun, I don't need no bullets. Had to tell Ghost calm down, cause he be on bullshit. Told Jay let's put a play together, say he need some dog shit. You ain't really got no paper, that's your dog shit. Nigga pulled up with 10 pints, do you think I bought him? Nigga tryna scrap